In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a project in Asana. Let's start right from the main Asana dashboard. When you're logged in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. This is where your sidebar lives, and it's where you'll find your teams, your existing projects, and the controls to add something new. Near the bottom of this sidebar, you'll see a plus icon. This is your shortcut for creating new items. Go ahead and click that plus sign. When you click it, a small menu will appear with different options, such as creating a task, a project, or maybe other items depending on your plan. For this video, we're focused only on projects, so choose the option labeled Project. This tells Asana you're not just adding a quick to-do, but setting up a full workspace where tasks, deadlines, and collaborators will live. After clicking Project, Asana will take you to a new screen or open a panel for creating that project. Here, you'll usually see a few choices like starting from a template, using a recent setup, or building a project from scratch. Select the option that best fits what you're trying to do. If you're just getting started or you want full control, choosing a blank project is often the simplest path, and you can customize everything as you go. Once you've made your selection, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Asana will typically ask you to enter a project name, choose which team or workspace it belongs to, and decide on a layout, such as list view or board view. Pick a name that clearly describes the work, so your teammates can recognize it at a glance. For the layout, think about how your team likes to organize work. Lists are great for more structured checklists, while boards are helpful if you like to move tasks across stages like to do, in progress, and done. You may also be asked to set privacy or sharing options. Decide whether the project should be visible to your whole team or only to specific people. This is important if you're working on something sensitive or still in early planning. As you complete each prompt, Asana will build the project for you. When you reach the end of the setup, confirm or create the project. You'll then see your new empty project space, ready for tasks, sections, and assignees. From here, you can start adding tasks and organizing your work, knowing the basic setup is in place.